Checking your MacBook model is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do, you're gonna go to the to the far left of the upper screen where you see the Apple logo. You're gonna click on the Apple logo and you're gonna go to About This Mac. Now you can see you have the type of chip used in the Apple device, the memory of the Apple device, the serial number, and the Mac OS number. Now click on More Info, and once it loads, you're going to scroll down and you're going to click on System Report. Now here on the System Report, you can see the model name, you can see the model identifier, and you can clearly see the model number here. Now that's how you find your MacBook model number. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.